Hi guys, so today I'm gonna present a Draw My Life video. For those of you who don't know what that is, it's literally just drawing one's own life so far. Anyway, my life was basically a kingdom of hearts. By kingdom, I mean that my grandma, who I called Lola, and grandpa, who I called Lolo, got married and had 9 kids and were all fully Filipino. I mainly got to know only my dad's parents. My mom's parents I did not get to know at all. I don't know why. The least I got was 2 or 3 stories. I know that my grandparents on my mom's side had 4 kids, and by 4 I mean 2 daughters, including my mom, and 2 sons, and they were fully Filipino as well. My parents, who were, but not now, teachers, met in Skyline College, got married, and 3 years after getting married, got busy making a plan. The plan was to have 2 kids, a boy and a girl. The boy would be named David, and the girl would be named Claire. In 1994, my parents had a girl and automatically called her Claire. A nurse came into their hospital room and decided that since it was December 26, or St. Stephen's Day, why not just name her Stephanie? My mom and dad really stuck with the plan, so they wanted to stick with Claire. However, just to be nice to the hospital, she was named Stephanie Claire. The 3 of them moved to a house in Daly City. Then on October 5, 1996, I was born and brought to the house. My sister was wondering why my parents took longer at work. It turned out it did not even take them long at all. When my sister first saw, she was all like, "Yay, I got a playmate! But when is he leaving?" My parents told her never because he's your brother. My sister was all like, "Say what?" When I was able to talk normally, and because I was fully Filipino, I respectfully called my sister ate. I know, the word is spelled like 8, as in eating. Ate actually means big sister in Tagalog, a Filipino language. Since then, I keep calling my sister Ate Claire. When elementary school started, Monday to Friday after school, I joined an after-school program. The leaders, Lucky and Mr. Felix, would call me Ray David. Why? Because I did not really like going outside in the playground, I would just stay inside the cafeteria, eat my lunch, and dance to music that Lucky and Mr. Felix watched me dance to. Speaking of music, I actually had a toy called Hit Clips. It was a hit. Basically, every clip had one song no matter what the artist, and you would need to put it into a hit clip machine. The machine I had was a boombox. I later upgraded to a MP3 player and then an iPad music box app. Every weekend, Saturday and Sunday, my family would go to Toys R Us to buy toys like Hit Clips. Then when I started to go to Benjamin Franklin Middle School, my family stopped going to Toys R Us. It was later in my middle school that I joined Citizen Schools, a new after-school program that started when my sister started middle school. Other than other after-school programs, this one would split you into teams that would earn points for a team to win every semester. In order to achieve these points, every person from each team would need to join the program's electives. Such electives included cooking, dancing, physical education, etc. within the school. While my sister was in 8th grade and I was in 7th, my sister's team won the first semester I was in. Second semester, my team won. Then after my sister graduated and my graduation was closing by, it was sad that the school program was closing down for their own reasons. So I was there when it was closed. My sister and I were not depressed because I believe that citizen schools were in other schools, so other children would experience what we experienced. When I reached high school, I took a new step and tried my first private school, Archbishop Riordan High School, or ARHS. In high school, I had to study a lot. The closest I had to break were the school clubs. Surprisingly, during senior year, the guitar club only had its officers, including me, and the Philippine American Coalition, or PAC, was the most popular club in which I was vice president. I later had to decide between 2 colleges, SFSU and UC Santa Cruz. I chose SFSU because it was closer to my house and I needed to be closer because of my epilepsy. For those who don't know what epilepsy is, it's basically seizures in your sleep. The cause of epilepsy would be flashing lights, stress or headaches, too much caffeine, and sleeping late. The effects would be never being able to drive, memory loss, and blood coming out of your mouth. I was 4 years old when I found out I had epilepsy. I went to sleep in my house and woke up in the hospital. I was very lucky and so grateful to have a big family that would help me to remember anything I forgot. Though still in college, I started my own YouTube channel based on inspiration I got from friends and a YouTuber called Happy Slip. So if you think you have a sad life, then you do not have epilepsy. So be happy and gather your own Kingdom Hearts too. Thank you, salamat po, and good night.